In this video, I'll show you how to unhide apps on an iPhone. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. First, let's hide an app. For example, let's use YouTube. Tap and hold on the app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, select Require Face ID. In the confirmation window that opens, choose Hide and Require Face ID. Once Face ID is successfully confirmed, a page describing the feature will appear. Tap on the Hide Apps button. The app will disappear from the home screen and be hidden. Next, go to the App Library panel. Scroll down through the list of app categories until you find the Hidden category. Tap on this category. After confirming with Face ID, the hidden apps will be displayed. Tap and hold on the app you want to unhide. In the menu that appears, select Add to Home Screen. Then, tap on Unhide App. The app will be unhidden and will reappear on the home screen. Thank you for watching.